This is the unboxing of the Werewolf Robogear by IMAX. 60020. Basically, these are little miniatures that you can put together. Some have missiles on them, missile launchers. This has a missile launcher. You basically can fire to try to knock over other figures. These will shoot out. Basically, this is the Werewolf. This is kind of a walker, and they're snapped together, type figures. They come with the battle card. These are your little shooter mechanisms. Let me show you one of these things too here. I think this is all ready to go. Yeah, because you're going to put this inside of this machine gun, all right, and then you just stick the right there. Then you can push the button and they'll shoot out. And this is the Werewolf. You can paint them. This is what it looks like painted, and they're really cool. It's a game too. You can add on to it and build huge armies. So this is the Werewolf Robogear IMAX.